Hi, I'm Laura Bomey, and I will be your instructor for BA 224 Human Resources Management. This video will introduce you to the course and show you a quick navigational tour of the Getting Started activities for Week 1 and the Week 1 homework assignments. When you first get into Canvas, you will land on what's called the home page right here, and you'll see that there are announcements. The most recent announcement will always show at the top. You can always access other announcements here. I did send a preterm message to let everybody know that class would be starting, and then you will also see on the landing page a brief overview of the course. There is a link to the Start Here items in the course, plus there are links here that will take you to other parts of the course. And then again, there's another link for Starting Here, which is to get you started in the course. And then if you want Canvas mobile for your phone, you can click there. You will also see that on the right, when you log in, it will always have a list of your assignments and their due dates, and you can click on them from here. What I'd like to do is just quickly show you what you'll be doing. So as I noted, you can go Start Here, and that will take you into the Starting Here area of the course. The attendance policy is here, and then I give you links to the various areas that you can also access, many of them over here on the left, but to make sure you know to check them out. The home page I just went over, the syllabus, the various modules, the announcements, meet your instructor, and then there's a number of things under the course overview. You will also have 3 required assignments that are due this Friday, September 23rd by 5 p.m. That is to post an introductory discussion post that introduces you to the class. There is a complete the syllabus confirmation, meaning you have read the syllabus, and to complete the upload to Canvas assignment, which gives you an opportunity to introduce yourself to me and do an upload. And then in addition to that, so those items, as I mentioned, were due Friday, September 23rd. You will also have some assignments that are due next Tuesday, September 27th, and you can find those through the modules link here on the left. We'll go there in just a moment, and you will have a couple of those assignments as well. So as I mentioned, click on these various links. I'm going to just take you into the modules link so that you can see how the course is laid out. When you first get into modules, you'll see the course overview. These are the learning outcomes, the grading policies, the assessment. Here is a link to the syllabus. The textbook is here. We are using an online textbook, so you have no textbook to purchase. And then there's a link to the course schedule. And then there's a question and answers discussion post area for you to put questions for me or other classmates to chime in. And then these are the activities to start here. So meet your instructor, that's information about me and how to get a hold of me. And then here are the 3 required items that you need to do in the first week. And then if you keep scrolling down, you will see week 1. There's an overview. We will be learning about the basics of human resource management. There's a number of learning materials here. There's a quiz and an assignment, and these are due next Tuesday, September 27th. And as I mentioned before, the Starting Here are due this Friday. They're your first week requirements to stay in the course. So if you want to do these, you just click on the link. You will introduce yourself to your peers. In order to make a post, you just click in reply, you type something in, and then you just hit post reply. And then for the next item, you would take the quiz for the syllabus. Once you're finished, you can take it as many times as you want, but once you're finished, you just complete it and then hit next. And then the last one is to do your upload to Canvas. You're going to create a Microsoft Word document, and you can access Office 365 through your COCC student account to get Microsoft Word. You're going to type into it all of the information I'm asking, and then it gives you the instructions on how to upload. So you click upload, find the document on your computer, and make sure it's uploaded. It will show that it's attached, and you'll hit submit assignment when you're done. Then you can go back to the modules area and go back into week 1. As I mentioned, you'll see these each week will look somewhat similar. It will have an overview. It will have your learning objectives. It will have what you need to do each week. and links, and then you can just go into each area and learn the various items. You'll always have a book chapter that's in your online textbook, and then some additional resources for you. And then here's again, you'll have a quiz on the topics for the first week. You will have, in all of your quizzes during the course, you'll have 3 opportunities to get your best score. And then you will have the other assignment that I've provided, which is just to explore human resources. I've given you a document here that you can work on and use some resources to answer. You'll use this template to answer. You would open it in Word, complete it, save it to your computer, and then you would upload here and hit submit assignment. And then when you get done, you'll have a wrap up for the week. And you just need to make sure you've got everything done. One quick place I want to make you aware of is on the left here under syllabus. If you ever wonder what is due, you've got a hard copy or an electronic copy here of the entire syllabus. I would recommend you check. This is COCC's institutional syllabus. It has a number of student guidelines. You may want to take a look at that. And then each week you'll see your assignments as they are due. They will show up here under this syllabus link. And I do hope this helps you, and I look forward to getting to know you and having opportunities to learn together this term. And again, if you want to just reach me, there's information here on the home once it loads, how to get a hold of me, Laura Bomi, and you'll see my information listed here for you. Best wishes, and let me know if I can help you in any way.